Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine and greatly blessed with health and everyone is fine at your end. Unfortunately, due to the lockdown and the current epidemic all over the world, we are unable to go to the schools and also unable to get an idea about the library, its places and its rules and its management. But we will try to get some idea with the help of today with the help of the for video. Let's try to understand with the help of a video. Dear students, this is a building of a library. In a library there are different areas in which books are arranged according to the alphabetical orders. It means the science books are arranged in science portions, in science shelves, mathematics in mathematics shelves, English books in English shelves, story books in story shelves, and this rules applies to all kinds of the books. But all kinds of the books are arranged according to alphabetical orders. It means it starts from the A and it ends on Z. When we go to the library, we have to also get us an idea about the design or the different areas of the libraries. When in a library there is a sitting for reading. It means reading room. This is a reading room. This is a reading area. In this area people have to sit but have to make sure their silence while reading. They are not allowed to make the noise. They are not allowed to eat there because it's a reading room, not an eating room. If the people have to eat something, they have to go canteen. In a library, we came to know that there is a person who is a librarian who deals and implements all the activities of the library and make sure the implementation of the rules of the library. Dear students, लाइब्रेरी में बुक्स अरेंज होती हैं अल्फ़ाबेटिकली ऑर्डर से. साइंस बुक्स एक ही पोर्शन में होंगी, एक ही शेल्फ में होंगी और तमाम साइंस बुक्स अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर्स में अरेंज होती हैं ए से जी तक. इसी तरह लाइब्रेरी में एक सिटिंग एरिया जहाँ पर यानी कि उसको रीडिंग एरिया कहते हैं. रीडिंग रूम और रीडिंग हॉल कह सकते हैं, जहाँ पर लोग आसानी से और खामोशी को बरकरार रखते हुए और बगैर कोई डिस्टर्बेंस क्रिएट करते हुए वो रीडिंग करते हैं. दे फुलफिल देयर पर्पस ऑफ रीडिंग बिकॉज दे आर सिटिंग फॉर रीडिंग, नॉट फॉर मेकिंग द गॉसिप्स, डिस्कशंस एट्सेट्रा. लाइब्रेरी में एक ऐसा पर्सन होता है हु इज़ द चीफ लाइब्रेरियन और मे बी ए लाइब्रेरियन हु डील्स, जो तमाम लाइब्रेरी के तमाम अमूर को देखते हैं, उसके रूल्स की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन यानी कि उसके रूल्स की को नाफिज करवाता है. तमाम अगर कोई विज़िट के लिए आते हैं उसको तमाम रूल्स बयान करते हैं. दिस इज़ द डिज़ाइन ऑफ द लाइब्रेरी ऑफ इन द लाइब्रेरी देर इज़ this is a reception. It means people who wants to get the books from the library have to inform or ask these persons who are in the receptions for issuing a book. But for issuing a book, there is a formality. There is a formality. What kind of this formality? People have to fulfill a form. People have to fulfill a form for get, and after getting a library card, they can get books from the library and they can return books to the library. There is also some nominal fees we have to pay for getting the library card, and there is also digital record of the books in the library, and there is also digital record of the persons who takes away the books to his home and returns book to the library. And there is also record about that what kind of the books are in the library and which book are in the library and which are not in the library. It means there is a complete record or data or information about the presence of the books of all kinds and issuance and returning of the books to the library. Dear students, this is a QR machine which is used for maintaining the QR record of the books, and it helps in maintaining the good record. This is a machine which is also used for different kinds of the product. When we go to the market, we are shopping malls, we can see that there is a machine which identifies the code of that product, and after that we can get know the record of that product in the computer. Dear students, in the library there is a proper record for there are persons who are also literate in computer. They make your complete biodata. They make sure that what kind of books that you have got and which kind of the books are present or not in the library. Dear students, if we have to find out the books, if we are interested to find out different kinds of the books, we can ask to the librarian or the receptions who are serving at there. We can ask them to ask them, I need that book, and it's with its name of the author. With the name of the author, we can easily find out that book. Dear students, we can see that this is a sitting area where people come for reading, for getting ideas, but they are not allowed to make noise there. They are not allowed to eat. For eating, they have to make sure their silence while reading. Dear students, in a library there can be different kinds of the halls for reading. For it depends on number of the people who are literate in that area, in that city, in that country, and what kind of the customs of or traditions of visiting to the library. Yes, we can observe in this video. Dear students, in the library there are different areas. This is the hall where the books are arranged and people can get easily books from there. And in the library books, we can see that books are arranged according to their volume, according to their names, according to their years of editions. Every year when a new book is published, a new book is published and new edition is published, it is also issued to the library for the easiness, for reading, for making the new knowledge, for making the new research of the people. In the libraries, we can find out when we go to the library, some magazines are also, or some research papers are also present in the library. Dear students, we can see that in the library there are different areas, there are different places, and there are also something for dear students. If where even children are allowed to visit the library, if they have to, if the a lot of if the if the children or the people who are in greater numbers, they have to follow a queue, they have to make a queue for entering, because in the library there are also a record for of the people who are visiting to the library. Here we can see that little child are visiting to the library while making the queue. In the library, even children are warmly welcome, because they are the builders of the nations. The person who are there, they welcome them and they felt a lot of the pleasure while the visit of the library. In the library there are some children books like the story books. There are some activity areas for the children areas where they can do or perform different kinds of the activity. They can get the knowledge, they can get the benefit of visiting the library. It doesn't mean that they just go and come just seeing the names or peoples there. They can read the books there according to their age, because there are a lot of the different natures of the books in the library. They can play, they can participate in an activity according to the library environment. Dear students, we can see that these children are wearing the school bags. When they enter in the library, they are wearing the school bag, but when they have to take the books from the library, they have to keep the bags in a certain areas, and before going to their homes they have to take it back to their homes. They have to wear it for going to their homes. Dear students, these children are having some books, some magazines, or some things in their hands. They are keeping they are putting the material in the bucket. Let's see. And they are moving to a certain areas. They move their bag away, and they are going to play some activities, because it's a learning areas, and in advanced in now wonderful arranged libraries there are some activities that are also arranged for the children's according to the age of the child. Dear students, we can observe that this lady is asking some questions to the children. Children are not giving the answer in without raising hand. They are following rules. It means they are literate. manners, discipline. They have to. It means all the person who visit the library have to observe some rules. Even children are old, young, in short, all kind of the people who visit the library they have to observe discipline. Dear students, we can develop the interest of very young child by showing kindness, by showing proper guidance, by giving the kind instructions and fulfilling their keen interest. In the library, there are a lot of the books. There are story books, there are picture books. It depends on the taste of the or the interest of the children who are visiting there. Even child who are very young, it means who is of the nursery prep. Dear students, we can see that this is a library card for getting the this is a library form for getting the books. We have to fulfill it. There are different portions in the library card. It's containing the name, parents name, date of birth, signature, address, name of the schools, different things, or even contact number. It means we have to give the some identifications to librarians for getting the books. Dear students, I hope that if we can visit to the library, we get the better idea. But due to the current epidemic, unfortunately, we have to just rely on some resources like this video, or you may watch any other video for getting some ideas about the library. I hope that you will watch this video properly and get some idea. Thank you.